Oh, the big black meanie with the 6-cylinder engine and a 12-month-old X-Force exhaust system, which hasn't fallen apart. It's been broken apart. Boofka. Young gentleman ran over something on Harvey Bay, Maryborough Road, and I better tell him he's got a broken gearbox mount there as well. That won't be helping. Fitted professionally by somebody 12 months ago. I've checked it all, a few scrapes, no real damage there. Great alignment, not. Anyway, notwithstanding, this will be cut off here. Make up a stainless steel plate, go over, weld it, and that's what it's here for today. So anyway, we'll get it underway. Very simple thing. I'll start by cutting it off and buffing the whole area. Nice and clean up here, around here, around here. A simple job. So I've cleaned up the area and cut a section of 304 grade tubing to make the patch repair panel. Just shaping it now. As you'll see, it goes around, but it's not completely around there because it's on a curve. So just a little bit of massaging that, just like that, will do the job. I believe that might do the job. Let's go and have a look. So there we go, up in position. Nothing welded on yet, but that's the way she's going to go. Moving around, and that'll fit up there. So probably just as easy to show you when it's done. Hold that thought. Pretty darn much just like that. There is no support off here for these, not for this model. But he definitely is going to find out about that broken gearbox mount. Probably blissfully unaware of it, and it could cause problems for him down the track. Okay, that's about all I've got to show you on this one. So just remember, repairs can happen. Impact damage repairs can certainly be repaired 90% of the time. This is one of those 90%. In and out, half hour. Using the right equipment, the right material, done properly, and the prep work always done. Hate that morning sunlight. Hey, you enjoying that in the background? I'm not. Yeah, if I turn that way, maybe it's a bit better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Gonna try to do a few more videos. External hard drive, my new one, dead again, down being supposedly scanned. It's where all my archive is and things I've recorded ready for editing and posting, which I just don't have. So I'll do what I can in the interim, so bear with me, and thanks for the understanding of me not being here yesterday. And the fact is, I am currently radioactive, and I will be for another probably 4 hours. Life and times of getting nuclear medicine. See you later.